Hello students, we are going to start chapter number 2 and fractions and decimal. We have already done fractions part of this chapter, and now we are going to start the decimal part. Okay, so first of all, introduction to decimals. What is a decimal number? A number which involves decimal point, that is called decimal point, that is called a decimal number, and number that contain whole part and fractional part. This, suppose this is a decimal number and this is whole part, this part is whole part, and this is fractional part, and this is decimal point. Decimal point separate the whole part and fractional part. Okay, now we can take another example of 30.5. This is again whole part and this is fractional part. Now we if we are to compare the decimal numbers, how can we compare? I am taking an example of decimal number 0.5 and 0.05. Which number is greater and which is lesser? So how to compare? First of all, we will compare before the decimal number, digits before the decimal number. After that we will compare digits after the decimal number. How to compare? 0, there is something after 0 and again there is something after 0, so this number is same. Now we will compare 5 and 0 at the second position. So 5 is greater than 0, so this number is greater than 0.05. Again I can take another example, 4.5 and 4.7. Which number is greater? This, first of all, we'll compare the number at the first position, 4 point something, and this is also 4 point something, but we are to compare the first number at the first position, 4. This is also 4, this is also 4. Now we'll come to the digits after decimal point. This is 5, this is 7, so 7 is greater, so this number is greater, so we can write this number 4.7 is greater than 4.5. In this way um, we can compare the decimal numbers. And now if we are to subtraction of decimal number and subtraction and additions of decimal number. Now suppose I am taking 6.45 and if I have to add 0.25, okay, 6.47, and I will write at the same position decimal point. There should be decimal point, मीन्स डेसिमल नंबर पॉइंट के साथ ही जो दूसरा आपका डिजिट है उसका भी डेसिमल पॉइंट सेम पोजीशन पे होने चाहिए, तभी हम ऐड कर सकते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ वी आर टू ऐड 7 + 5 is 12 and 4 + 2 + 1, that is 7, and again decimal point here 6.72. Okay, if I have to take another example, 6.45 and 0.5, if I have to add this, then 0.5. So first of all, keep in mind that you are to put the another decimal number at the same position. Decimal point should be at the same position. Okay, 5 4 plus 5 is 7, because after decimal point 0 we can write 0 here. 5 0 5, 4 plus 5 9, and 6. And again, if we are to subtract the decimal numbers, 0.6.45 and 0.5, how can we subtract it? 5, again here is 0, there is no meaning after decimal point. There is no meaning of 0 after decimal point, so we can subtract 5 minus 0 5. 14, we are to take a borrow. 14 minus 5 9, and here will be 5, so it will be 5.95. In this way we can subtract and add decimal points.